We're going to shift gears a little bit and talk about interpreting stocks. Just a disclaimer, the stock market is not the economy. I'll get more into the specifics in a later video, but I do know that's a common misconception that many people hold, and I want to make sure that's clear before moving on. Okay, so I just pulled up Apple for my watch list because it's easier, but if you click on any of the companies, you'll find all of these terms. So I'm just going to define what they mean really quick. So first we have open, which is the price when a stock goes through its first transaction during stock market hours of operation. And then there's also close. It's not listed here, but it's basically the opposite. It's the price when a stock goes through its last transactions during stock market hours of operation. Next, we have high, which is the highest point at which a transaction is made, and then low, which is the lowest point at which a transaction is made. Volume is the number of a company's stocks traded in a day. This P/E stands for price to earnings ratio, and it's kind of how it sounds. It's the ratio of the price of a company's shares to its earnings per share. Then there's market cap, which is the total market value of a company's shares in the stock market. So these 52Ws here stand for 52 weeks, which we know is a year, so the H's and the L's next to them mean the highest and lowest price a stock has been traded for within a year, respectively. So we defined volume earlier, and average volume is not much different. As you may be able to assume given the name, it's the average number of shares traded within a day in a given stock. The dividend yield here is the percent of how many dividends a company pays in a year compared to that company's share price. Then we have beta, which is a measurement of the stock's probability of fluctuating compared to the overall volatility of the stock market. Finally, we have EPS, which stands for earnings per share, and it's a measurement of the company's total profit divided by the outstanding share.